Cooking is a way to love yourself and others. It's a good time to enjoy food. But washing dishes is long and boring. Now, it will change because of LISSOME R1. Designed with a unique seal shape, 3 transparent windows, and equipped with a built-in water tank, no pumping required. It's very easy to use. You can put it anywhere, such as small kitchens, offices, bars, and RVs. Now, let's see how it cleans the pasta in just 50 minutes. Put it in, add detergent. Fill in water, select the mode, and start. With AI sensors, R1 can automatically add detergent. R1 is equipped with the world's first sweeping jet technology. Driven by motors, the 2 rotating spray arms can effectively cooperate with the 2 vertical spray arms to achieve every corner through 32 high-pressure water jets. The triple filtration system can effectively discharge food residues, and the double pump drainage ensures no residual water, effectively preventing bacterial growth. After the cleaning circle, the door automatically opens to release steam, evaporating water droplets in just 2 minutes. Along with 50 Celsius degree hot air, get warm, dry, and shiny dishes every time. Other than dishes, you can also wash vegetables, fruits, pans, even large pots, Lego, baby items, and so on, with 8 modes available. Featuring triple disinfection with 80 Celsius degrees, UVC light, and plasma. This makes it perfect for cleaning baby items. Also, if you have long-time travel, R1 can automatically sterilize every 24 hours to ensure 7 days of clean storage. Over the past 4 years, we have developed and designed more than 100 prototypes and tested more than 50,000 plates. We finally got R1 to do it. Now, it's time to say goodbye to the past and take back those precious hours. Whether you live alone, with a partner, kids, or pets, you deserve a better life than ever before.